One tip na mabibigay ko sa'yo if mahina talaga yung upper back mo is i-round mo yung spine mo sa stretch. Kasi when you're rounding our back or flexing our spine, we gain more range of motion. Kasi yung movement will be traveling further. And the longer the range of motion, mas better yung stimulus na marireceive ng upper back mo. At ayan mismo yung sasabihin ko kung hindi ko alam yung biomechanics and function ng upper back. At kung isa ka na din sa mga taong suwana sa misinformation, welcome sa panibagong episode ng Brospiracy, kung saan na-expose natin mga popular fitness myths and the dumb stuff your gym bro swears by. Ngayon, when we're training the upper back, hindi na talaga necessary na i-stretch mo pa talaga at i-round mo yung likod mo. Kasi ang nangyayari lang pag ginagawa mo yun is you're moving the origin and insertion simultaneously, which makes it seems na extended yung range of motion pero yung relative length ng upper back mo is hindi naman talaga nagbabago. Tandaan mo, ang habol lang natin dito is scapular retraction, hindi spinal flexion. Kaya kung gusto mo talaga matrain yung upper back mo, you just need to maintain a neutral spine. Gamitin mo lang yung chest support as a counter force, and then during the concentric, i-drive mo pabalik yung scapula mo. Kasi hindi naman function ng upper back mo yung spinal flexion and extension. Ang ginagawa lang talaga niyan is scapular retraction. Kaya sa susunod na may magsasabi sa'yo na kailangan mo pang i-stretch at i-round yung likod mo for better growth, sabihin mo na lang, Brospiracy yan.